Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Samsung has done some design changes in the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus with no physical buttons on the right, and the power button is by default the Bixby button, but you can change it in the settings. The most mysterious design changes are on the top side and in the rear camera. On the top you have the regular secondary microphone on the left and the SIM tray on the right, but there is a hole cut out in the center. In the beginning there was a rumor that it is an IR blaster, but it is not. So what is it? In my recent hands-on experience with the device, I asked the Samsung staff and also the Samsung engineers, and to my surprise, they confirm it's a secondary speaker on the top. I also read in the official Sam Mobile website about it being a speaker hole, as there is a very tiny space above the front camera for the second speaker. So because of that, this addition was needed to give a better sound experience. And I agree with that. But wait, this is not all. When I tested it in the real life scenario, I feel when the music is playing, when I'm trying to block the bottom speaker, it does stop the sound. But when I'm trying to block the so-called new top speaker with my hands, there was no difference in the sound at all. In fact, in the real-time testing, interestingly, I found out that when the music is playing, there was a noticeable vibration on the top back side. And also, there is a new surprise at the back side. Yes. Now, what is this tiny hole below the rear camera? Looking closely and asking more about it from Samsung staff, I found out that this is the third microphone for audio zoom-in video function. First of all, I must praise Samsung for the unique placement of the microphone, as I have never seen before on any other smartphone a microphone placement in the rear camera. So basically it's meant for capturing the sound directly from the object when you zoom in the camera, and also it's meant to isolate the surround sound. Now the whole idea of making this video is to share about the new button placement and its real life test. In this video, I'll test this feature. How does it work in the real life scenario? You can see that the Galaxy S10 Plus, there's a video playing on that. So let's try to zoom in. Let's try to start the video. And now zoom in. You see the sound icon. So this is the normal length. Now please focus on the sound differences when I zoom in the camera. But when you zoom in, you can see it is trying to capture the noise coming from the video itself. Now there is a clear increase in the sound coming from S10 Plus music when I zoom in my Note 10's camera. But in practicality, it does not isolate the surrounding sound completely. Still, I will say that it's a handy feature and it's not a gimmick. We'll be playing the same music on both the devices. And let's see which one sounds better. So the music is from no copyright sound because of the YouTube copyright policies. So let's start with the Note 10. And the same on Galaxy S10 Plus. I just need to clear my I just need to clear my So guys, this was the comparison between Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy S10 Plus sound quality and the speaker test. Both of them are rocking a dual stereo speaker, but Galaxy Note 10 definitely has an edge. I must say the sound is much more louder on Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But I must praise Samsung because they have done a lot of efforts for a better sound quality and improvement in the voice quality. But there are a lot of new things Samsung has added with Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, which is not very obvious at the first glance, but when you dig deep into it, you will find a lot of surprises. For example, Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus has a front camera, which also has a dark mode enabled. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon. Also, I have made a playlist of Galaxy Note 10's video, which includes the sound test, comparison with S10 Plus, the color options available, and so on. Kindly click over here to see those videos. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.